So, what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to take these legs off. Ooh, I should have got a bigger screwdriver. There we go. I'm going to take the legs off so I can secure the bag on there a little easier. Probably will put them back on when I'm done. So, there's that faithful puppy dog. Take them off. Put it right there. Get that loose. Hopefully we don't break this in the process because they're kind of flimsy. Tell you what, screwdriver's holding on good. What I'll probably do is when I put the bag on, I'll cut around these so that way I can put the feet back on. Fucking it's on there, buddy. Alright, got that screw out of there. Take the legs off. Put them down there. Set my screwdriver down. So now we just have a circle fan. I'm not sure if anyone's ever tried this idea before. I think it's kind of the same concept of a bellow. Is that what they're called? Bellows? I don't know. But that's what we're going to do to try this out with. And of course, I'm a redneck. I'm going to wrap this thing with duct tape. So let me get it fitted on there, and I'll bring you right back. Hey guys. So, I'm having a mad scientist day. I'm not up and about doing too much. My knee's kind of bothering me today. But I had an idea. So, my coal forge, I was having a lot of problems with the air and stuff like that just wasn't working properly. I don't have, like everybody else uses a hair dryer. I don't have access to one of those. And I don't really feel like going out and buying one. So I used a vacuum cleaner. Problem with the vacuum cleaner, please ignore the dog in the background. The vacuum cleaner puts way too much air to the forge. I burn a ton of coal. So I had this crazy idea. And I don't know if anyone ever tried it before, but it's my own crazy idea. So I have this fan. It doesn't do much for me. And I was thinking, if you took a plastic bag, which this is a 6-ply, and mocked it up to go around and seal it up around the fan, just see if this is where the fan blows the air out, of course. See if I can get this to work. And then hook a hose here to a tip. Would it push enough air for the coal forge? So we're going to find out. Now, of course, I don't think this thing comes apart, but in the sense of being a mad scientist as I try to be, it's very dirty. I have a bag and duct tape. I'm thinking we can make this work. I'll bring you back in a minute. So for right now, guys, pretty much just duct taped it on there. See how well it's going to work. And then I have my hose. Hold on, guys. Let's set this right here. 4-wheelers make awesome tables. This is my hose I use. It's just an old vacuum cleaner hose. It was one of those things where I just happened to have it. And that's what I had to work with, guys. So, now, freaking horsefly bit the crap out of me. So we're going to take our fan. And it's on there pretty good. And I want this to be a pretty snug fit. So I'm just going to cut a little bit. And not drop the fan. So, we now have this little hole in the end. I'm going to work it around. Hold on! There we go. I'm going to work it into there. And it's going to, you want it to be snug. We're still going to use duct tape to kind of seal it out. So I'm just kind of stretching the hole just a little bit. So this will go in there. I am not 100% sure if this idea will work. or anything like that, guys. It's merely just simply, I kind of got this idea in my head, and it's one of those things that if I don't do it, it will absolutely drive me insane. So I've got that like that. Good old-fashioned duct tape, guys. Just going to wrap it around here to help hold that on. So, let's go ahead, set the fan in my forge, which is empty. I'm sure there's some dust and dirt in this hose that we can see if it'll blow it out. Let me grab the plug-in. Here's our plug-in. Are you ready? Watch it blow a bunch of dust all over me. The bag deflated. Feeling a little bit of air, but not a lot. It is not a lot. Kind of expected it to be a little better than that. Oh. Well, Aaron. Yeah, it's blowing a little bit of dirt out. I am not sure where the controls are for the fan. Oh, here we go. That's off. Well, that's... I may need to get a bigger fan. And probably not let this get twisted up like that. So. It is, I don't know if you can see the dust it's putting out. It does put out a little bit of air. But not enough. So let's go back to the drawing board on this one. We may need a bigger fan. Let me check some things out.